Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can perform a premium blacklist check using your IMEI number on your REALME 14 Pro Plus. So first you just have to dial this number in a blue bold text on your phone, and this will show your IMEI number to you. You can just check on your back of the box or in the about phone section of the settings. And then you have to enter the IMEI.info website and type in the IMEI number right here and press check IMEI. You'll get some basic info about your phone, and down here you will find a blacklist premium check right here. And that's pretty much it. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.